how to get the best coupon codes on the Temu app. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. First, go ahead and open Temu and then tap on your card in the bottom right here. You should have some products there. After that, tap on checkout. Wait for this page to load up and then scroll down to the bottom until you find the apply coupon code and tap on it. You should paste the code right here, so let's see how to get that code. Follow up with me, go to your browser and make sure you go to this website, gencoupons.com. You'll find Temu at the top, tap on it. Scroll down and you'll find the $100 off coupon right there, tap on get code. You will get the code, but it's going to be hidden. So to unlock it, tap on unlock now, wait for a couple of seconds. You get this screen, you have to complete an offer or a survey and the code will be unlocked, so you can go back to Temu and paste it right here and tap on apply and the discount will be applied. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.